Okay, so we're on week 2 here. Basically, I'm going to go ahead and come into this room. I thought I was going to finish this room up, but the cold weather's coming. I have no choice but to start getting into this. So I've got these few panels ripped off. I've got all my anchors put in for my supporting walls. I smashed some anchors in to solid this stuff up, and it really did. Then I come in here and I've got all my wood cut, all the boards ready to go. I bought my paint already. The only thing really is that I'm running out of time. I don't have enough time. So I'm going to go ahead and try to move as much of that as possible into here, into this room here. And then, yeah, just keep going here. But I've got all the electrical and everything done in here in this room. So, you know, week 2 in the books, and I don't feel real good. I'm going to end up going. I've had a physician that I've going to go see. I haven't been to a doctor in 13 years, so this ought to be interesting for next week. So I'm out of here.